If you want to open apps in pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you have two ways to do so. The first method is by going to the background apps once you open the app that you wish to open in the floating window. Next, we can tap on the icon of the app, and then you should be able to find open in pop-up view if this view is supported. And there we go. As you can see, we have the pop-up view. We can tap on this blue bar in order to find additional options. And for example, if you want to return to the full screen, we can use these two arrows going away from each other. And there is also, as you can see, the swipe for pop-up view gesture that we can use, but we need to make sure that it is activated. To find it, we need to open settings, scroll down to advanced features, go to multi-window, and then you will find swipe for pop-up view. Here we can also increase or decrease the area that we can use to for the gesture. So start from the top left or top right corner and then go towards the middle in order to activate the floating window. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.